Today we're making bua loy nam king. I'm adding a sweet potato twist to the sweet rice balls and ginger syrup. To make the black sesame seed filling for the sticky rice balls, start by dry toasting black sesame seeds until plump and fragrant. Transfer into a food processor. Add palm sugar, butter or coconut oil. Blend until you get a paste. Divide the paste and form into balls. For the dough, mix purple sweet potato puree with sticky rice flour. Slowly add in warm water. The amount of water will vary depending on liquid content of the puree. Add a little bit of water at a time until the dough comes together. Pinch off a piece of dough, roll it into a circle and flatten. Place a piece of filling in the center and smooth the dough around the filling to form a ball. Repeat until done. Check crumbs.com for the original version. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Cook a few of the balls at a time. They are done once they float. Remove from the pot and place it on an ice bath to stop the cooking. Make the ginger syrup by bringing a pot of water with palm sugar, salt, and ginger to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat and let simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Serve the sweet rice balls with warm ginger syrup. Enjoy! For full recipe and notes, visit crumbs.com.